Hello viewers, last night I received an update of iPadOS 18.2. Many users who have iPad 10th generation are curious to know about the latest iPadOS 18.2. Before this update, my iPad was running on iPadOS 18.1.1. The size of this iPadOS 18.2 is about 1.88 GB. This update is mainly for those users who want to use AI in their iPad, but this update will not affect any AI in iPad 10th generation, so you have to be aware about it. Now, if you want to update to the latest version, let me show you the storage capacity, iPadOS and system data. As you can see here, system data is about 7.19 GB, whereas iPadOS has taken 16.57 GB. So the minimum requirement of storage is about 11 GB to update to iPadOS 18.2. At the time of installing the latest update, I did not encounter any heating in my iPad 10th generation. After installing the latest iPadOS 18.2, I checked in the system and then I went into the iPad storage. Now you can see that system data has been decreased and it is now 5.48 GB, and if you look into iPad OS, in that case you can see that storage also decreased. 10.89 GB is occupied by system iPad OS, so this is a very good thing. And then after that I checked the display of iPad 10th generation and I can say that there is no problem after this update in terms of display flickering issue or any other display issue. Many users are actually complaining that they are facing screen flickering after update. As I have updated to the latest version, it is not possible for me to say anything about the battery life, but I can say that the battery life will be very good as it is winter season. I have used this device after 100%. You can see that 44 minutes and 14 minutes, that equals to 58 minutes. So actually 1 hour have been used and the 86% battery life is left. After that I checked the system and customization in the lock screen, but sadly there is nothing new in the lock screen section. It was iOS 18 and after that nothing has been increased in terms of customization features. Here and there might be minor changes, but that is not noticeable. So you will get what you have already got in iPadOS 18. So I would say nothing new in terms of customization feature. So in the conclusion, should you update to the latest version of iPadOS 18.2 if you are getting a very good battery life in iPadOS 18.1.1? In that case you should not upgrade to the latest version. But still, if you want to update to the latest version, I would say that wait for few days when my final review about iPadOS 18.2 will come out. In that video I will be able to say whether this update is good enough for you or not, or whether you should update to the latest iPadOS 18.2 or not. So stay for few days for the final review of this update. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.